It's been a long night.
No escaping now.
Black skies glowing.
You seem like trouble. Don't test me.
But your body is saying otherwise.
Cora, get to the bar in 10 minutes. With that little dance of yours, goes up on the school website.
Oh my God! You're insane! Please, I need you to get me to the bar, to the university bar right now.
To the bar?
Yes.
This time of night?
Yes.
That's not happening.
I'm not a kid, I can handle it.
That's exactly what a kid would say. Fine. You can go. Just remember, you're under my protection. Everything you do, I see. Understood? I'll work the card. Be good.
Who wants free drink all night on me?
Piece of shit! Turn that off!
Hey, aren't you that girl?
You're trash! My fiancé and my best friend? How could you betray me like this?
You know, you never let me touch you for 3 years. And Ava, she lets me do anything. She's a real woman. And you're a pretender. And the family business is gonna be mine.
I would never marry a loser like you.
Do you really think that taking over the company makes you better than me? You're just a fucking nepo baby!
And what do you live on? Cheap pride? Or playing your little piano? Oops!
Get out, Cora. I have that stored on the cloud. So Neil, be my secret lover. Otherwise, this little dance, I'll put it all over the internet.
Garcia knows better than to treat a woman like that.
Uncle Neil, how did
You asked her to kneel? You kneel. Apologize. Now.
Oh my God, that's Neo. He runs the whole Garcia empire.
And the top lawyer in the country. He's back in person.
Uncle, lawyer? He's the Neo Garcia?
So this is the man Dad sent? Neo, Finn's only weakness. If I made Finn think I was with Neo, he'd never bother me again.
He's the one that forced me to be—
Shut up!
I'm pulling all my investments from you from next year. Until you've learned your lesson.
Uncle, please, please!
Does your father know you're making videos like this?
They're not real. Finn faked them.
I can't trust someone who doesn't keep their word.
I knew My uncle wouldn't protect a cheap piece of trash like you. Be mine, or I'll make you.
Leave. I will deal with you later. You belong with me now. No trouble. Am I just supposed to hold you like this all night?
You want me to stay at your place tonight?
Just until your father gets back.
Why did he bring me here? Whatever the reason,
There's glasses. Both of you. You were asking for water while you were asleep.
I think I'm thirstier now. Whatever the reason, Finn, you pushed me too far. I'll settle this my way.
Did you find the glass?
I shouldn't be this into a guy I just met. But I can't help it.
Careful.
You could have taken me home right away. But you didn't. Is there anything else you want? And you're not that old.
Then take off your clothes.
You want me to take off my clothes?
I meant your jacket. Oh. Disappointed.
No. Not at all.
Why are you so eager to please me? Are you trying to get back at Finn? How long have the two of you been together?
3 years.
And how many times has he had you?
What, you want details? Position too?
Don't talk to me like that. Your father asked you not to see Finn, and you did it anyway.
You do just see me like some reckless idiot that can't make her own decisions, don't you?
Cora, I'm here because your father entrusted me to protect you. I'm 16 years older than you, and I can't go too far.
I'm sorry, did you just say you're living with the Neo Garcia?
Well, my father sent him. He's like my new guard.
Seriously? This is Neo Garcia we're talking about here. The guy who won't let any woman within an arm's distance of himself. I mean, letting you live with him is a pretty big deal if you ask me.
Maybe you're right. Man like Neo, he probably has tons of women swooning over him. Why would he be interested in me?
Smart, talented, and hot.
I can make plenty more little videos of you. Get over to my place, now.
The Garcias are holding their annual charity gala. Finn and Neo are both gonna be there. Now, a dude like Neo wants a woman who matches him in every way.
Okay. If only to keep Finn away. I'll make Neo mine.
that?
Did somebody forget to lock the door? Who let the nobody in?
Well, if it isn't Ice Queen Cora, you know you better keep it loose for the next man. Finny told me everything.
Yeah, we were just a pretend girlfriend until the real one came along.
Well, it doesn't really matter because trash like you belongs in the dumpster.
You bitch!
Don't pout, baby. Later tonight, I'm gonna buy you the Queen's blue collar diamond. You just play the piano, light up this whole room. Don't dirty yourself by touching her.
You're right, baby. I don't touch garbage.
You're still mine. That AI video I made of you was just a little taste. The real thing is yet to come.
You must have solved your little money problem. You're acting like a big shot.
No, Uncle Neo, I still haven't figured things out, but that diamond was promised to Ava. Would you just help me? You know, just this once.
You're in no position to negotiate with me.
Where are we going?
You shouldn't be here. You should be in class.